Well, January 1st, 2021, and this is what they had done. A couple friends went over and took some snapshots. As you can see, the siding got put on up so far. I don't know why, but I'll tell you later, I'm sure. We got to straighten all this out because the guy that took the photos is the guy that may do the yard. We don't know yet on that. But here is the pictures they took, like I said. I really like the idea that the dog door matches the windows and everything else there in white. I didn't know that when I ordered it. I just ordered it and the foreman put it in for me. Did a great job. Right there in the middle too. Well, like I said, this is as far up with the siding as they got. I didn't think the parking was going to be this small, but I still can get all my trailers in there and then still have room here for our little man deck. They got all the floors covered up in paper now, so I know they're getting ready to do the perfa taping. Probably do that on Monday. Well, it looks like I'm going to have a crawl space entry on both ends of the house, which would make it handy for a guy that don't crawl. My sister went and took these photos, as you've seen in the description. This is the January 2nd. And she's just showing me a few things I wanted to see. That is going to be where a lot of it anyway, not all of it, but the security will be hooked up to that can right there. They won't be doing the taping and texturing on Monday as I had thought because they still don't have the power hooked up to the thing. My brother-in-law likes to stand and hang out in my kitchen apparently, but I sent him outside and he checked out this. This is where the stucco or rocks will go. The rocks will go here around these pillars, and then the stucco goes on where the gray board is. But as you can see, Idaho Power hasn't made it yet. And until they get there, they cannot texture it or tape it. And I don't even think it's done insulating yet because the outside porches are not even finished off. And wham, bam, what do you think? Yeah, that's the same porch. They got it done. Matter of fact, they got all the siding done up to this point, and all you gotta do is put lights in it. Now then, there's the closet for the master bedroom. They're gonna start painting it just next week. Matter of fact, maybe they've already got it painted in some of the videos. That's pretty cool. Gonna be coming in the back door, sitting right there, taking my shoes off, hanging my jacket up. That's a closet for a guest room. Then they're showing me a little bit of the great work they did on the taping and texturing. I like this little accent in the master bedroom. I don't know if they're going to put LED lights up there or not around in there. That sure looked cool. I wanted a mirror. Vicky said no. There's another shot of that's Vicky's pantry. There we go. That's all done. That's the office. Got a big old vent in the floor. They left that up high because that's going to have a wood floor in it when they get done. There's another closet into the office. Yeah, there you go. Stucco's done, rock's done. It's done outside except for the doors. They don't put them on till the very last thing because, you know, people come through there and start scratching them all up. So, it's looking good. Going to be painting it shortly. Matter of fact, maybe I'll have some pictures on here of that. Well, Spanky went over to get a picture of the painting, and we knew that the cabinets were going to be there on this weekend also. And they were. But they've locked everybody out of the house now, so this is the best picture they could get. I appreciate it. So, here's the deal. We got a new foreman on the job, and he seems to be getting things going. He called me earlier this week and said that they would have the house done by the end of February. That's awfully nice of them. Of course, the loan won't be ready. Everything now is going smoothly. Like I said, it's painted. The cabinets are in there. They look like they're setting where they go. They're hung on the wall. That's great. They're going to start doing everything else now. If I can get some pictures of this other stuff from the outside, I will. Other than that, this may be the last photo episode you get. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Bye.